Had a girl. Coming back. It's around 4. I'm waiting for Jenny Noose. It's going pretty good. It's her 3rd year. Down a steep river crossing. Nice, babe. You're class 5 material.